Samsung open reservation page for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, some new pricing for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been leaked on Twitter, and Galaxy S22 series may be coming with a new 50 megapixel RGBW sensor. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, we already know that August 11 is the Samsung Unpacked event date, which should be led the unveiling of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and finally the Galaxy Buds 2, which are going to be unveiling on that particular event. But now Samsung has put up a website allowing consumer to reserve a Galaxy Z Fold 3. Those who make a reservation receives up to $100 more for an online trade-in, a free first year of Samsung Care Plus valued as much as $155, and a special offer that can be used for the Galaxy products during the pre-order period. On the reservation page, Samsung has posted some quotes about the current iteration of the foldable that were lifted from social media apps. Twitter subscriber has written that I never want a normal phone again. That is a positive bullish comment about the device. Well, moving on, the European pricing for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been arrived, and this pricing has been coming from a Twitter leakster Snoopy Tech, which tweeted about the pricing of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and he believes that the 256 gigs model will be priced around $2,384, and the variant for 512 gigs of storage will be priced around $2,490. Well, I honestly don't think that this is going to be a pricing that is going to be legitimate, and also the tipster is not going to be a source which is reliable. But earlier we have a report coming from Sam Mobiles claiming that the manufacturer, in a bid to get its foldable phones into more hands, and definitely they will going to be cutting the price for the new fold and the flip devices by 20%, so taking these prices of the 2020 models down to $1,600 and $1,200 respectively. So I honestly think that the same mobile pricing is going to be definitely the pricing which we are going to see for both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 devices. Anyhow, moving forward, a new leak has been arrived which indicates that the upcoming Galaxy S22 series may be fluent a new 50 megapixel RGBW sensor. So according to the tipster Ice Universe, he is saying that Samsung will be launching a 200 megapixel alpha camera sensor and a 50 megapixel RGBW until this year. This time he is being more precise and says that the new sensor will be announced in September. Also, the Twitter leakster Yogesh has added to the conversation by saying that Galaxy S22 series as well as some other non-Samsung phones will be featuring the 50 megapixel RGBW sensor. But the latest report has indicated that Samsung will be bringing 200 megapixel 5 lens camera in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it made in the collaboration with the Japanese optics company Olympus. So guys, honestly I am not a big fan of the megapixel count because they are necessarily not guaranteed of a better picture, which is why probably most of the Apple and Google are not engaging in the megapixel war. Instead, these companies try to extract the maximum potential out of the sensor before retiring it. So guys, I am definitely excited for that particular device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.